Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Hi guys. Yeah, I'm outside. It's about 100 degrees out here. A little humid. But it is not supposed to rain today and possibly tomorrow. So I've got the Finish Max sprayer out. I'm gonna tear down a couple pieces here. So let me show you. Now I got it all set up over there. And I've got these are ones I don't want to brush. I could do the drawer, that's not a problem. But the spindles on the 28-cent table and the legs on the footstool, I don't want to brush them. So there's no way to really easily roll them. I'll roll the top of the 28-cent table. But other than that, I'm going to spray the legs because it's a pain in the butt to... Y'all know, painting spindles is not a fun thing. So getting in all those little nooks and crannies. So I'm going to get ready to spray, and that's what we're doing today. It is the last day of the picket fence gal sale, so at 4 o'clock I need to go over and take my stuff out of the yard and off the porch space and see what's sold. Been a gangbuster sale, guys. I am not lying. This has been something else. We have this thing at Picket Fence Gals where if you make 5 times your rent, you pay a little extra premium. I'm hoping this is the first time ever I have to actually pay that. Be awesome. So if you make 5 times your rent, I don't even know what it is because I never make 5 times my rent. This never happened to me before. I've come close. This close. So I think maybe this time I will actually make that mark. But I gotta get the Finish Max prepped, find the extension cord, and I'm dehydrated. I am so dehydrated. I had 1 glass of wine last night, which probably didn't help the situation, but I didn't drink enough this weekend, like water while I was working. And it was hot, and I was moving furniture, you were there. But it was just not enough time for me. There was not enough time for me to stop and drink, and so I've got another Gatorade that I'm sucking down. I bought a couple more. My husband wanted me to move further back, so I moved further back. But I'm going to get you guys set up where you're out of the line of fire. I just put it on time lapse. So I prepped my paint for the sprayer, which y'all know how to do because you watched that video that I did. If not, the link will be in the cards. So go check that out if you want to know how to use the Finish Max sprayer. And I'm going to get to work. Okay, I had some issues with the sprayer. The nozzle had already gotten warm and it was spitting. So I take it off, I'd clean it and try again, and now they're done. But I think the 28-cent table is going to bleed. I was really hoping it wouldn't, and now I'm frustrated. But it is what it is, so we'll figure it out. Maybe I'll just spray her with some clear and hope that works. To block it. I don't know, it was drying as I was painting. Hot out here. And Margot alerted us to a woodchuck living under that tree, so my husband's over there trying to get it out. Margot, no! I have to get a 22. Woodchucks are not our friends. I got her. Yo, this feels like tornado weather. Hot and muggy. Feels like when this breaks, there's gonna be a tornado. I'm heading to Picket to clear off my porch space. And I got notification that the bench sold. You're gonna fall. That's gonna fall. The bench sold, so yay. I'm gonna be excited to see what else sold. Thrilled. Okay, Fred, who watches this channel religiously, thank you, Fred, is also a picket fence gal. And he asked me if 6 times back and forth to picket fence scales was a record. No. Unfortunately, I wish it was. It is not a record. The Up North Gallery here, Gustav's, says she has some gorgeous molding for me in the back here. I'm going to take a peek at it. I took some frames. She had free frames. And now I'm going to take a look. Yes, she does. Oh my gosh. You know what? Maybe we could do my checkout stand in molding. Ooh. Yes, I'm very aware of how dangerous this is. But I don't care. I feel like the Progressive commercial, who gives away wood? Guys, I'm going to make my checkout stand out of this. It's going to be awesome. Look at all this goodness, guys. It's molding, and some of it even look like barnwood. So I think that'll be great on the register, you know, and then I can either leave these like they are or paint them up. Some have color on them. Some are whitewashed. I mean, it's just beautiful molding pieces. Gonna be a register. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.